In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free virtual credit card online. The first step, go to Skrill.com. So guys, your question is, what is Skrill? Basically, Skrill is a digital wallet provider established in 2001 which offers a range of online payment and money transfer services. Since its launch, Skrill has expanded to operate in more than 120 countries with the digital wallet offered in 40 different currencies. So Skrill is a trusted payment method that also offers a free virtual card that you can get for free. Let me show you how that works. Welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. Now guys, if you want to get started, you can click on the register button on the top of the right side. After that, you can see here, simply put your first and last name, then select country and currency. And enter your email address and password. And then click on the register button. After sign up, verify your account using the email address or phone number. That's all guys, it is very simple. You can access easily virtual card using Skrill. And now if you want to earn money from YouTube without making a video, check the first link in the description box below. You can earn passive income from YouTube. So click the first link below and watch that video. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.